Here's another way to add value to your property, and this is going to be with some light construction. Previously in another video we talked about how I leverage a coffee bar, but here I want to talk to you about kind of the showcase of this entire house. We've got a huge great room here, looking through the windows out onto the lake, flat lot, beautiful views, great dining room, great design from my wife, but this is what everybody's eye is pulled to, and you're going to see the before, which is a little bit but my wife and I spent $2,853, actually paid the mason today to put up this beautiful river rock. So we changed the hearth, we put in the river rock. This actually was already here, and a television just on a drywall. And you'll see the difference in the before and after. Chris, drop it back. Let's go back and forth. Before and after, before and after, before and after. $2,800 investment. This, we immediately raised our ADR by $50 a night. So if you go back and watch the coffee bar video, you're going to see that we added $30 a night. This is $50. These two value adds, we've increased our ADR by $80 a night. Now I want to tell you something. Chris, what's the date today? I don't even know what the date. It's like September 29th. We've had one guest stay. We just had our first guest check in last week, and we are already booked. Our Airbnb listing, we don't even have it on your portal. We don't have it on booking.com. We don't have it on VRBO. Just through Airbnb, we are booked out for 7 consecutive weeks at an average daily rate of $512. In the next video, I'm going to show you what's really going to put this property over the top. Now, if you find value in anything that I've shared with you on how to increase ADR, how to increase value on your property at low cost, then smash that subscribe button down below so you don't miss any of our future videos.